ugithiee na mbere na gukunguira miaka ikumi kauntiini ya uasin gishu. Atongoria kuma kaunti ya Kajiado nimamenereirie Ugai wa Mahinya makiuga gutiri undu ukoretwo ugicenjia kuona gwa kahinda ka miaka ikumi kaunti ici makiria andu aria makoragwo makiruta wira wa nduriri cia arithi makoretwo gutari undu mateithikite makiria makihumirwo ni ng'aragu oro undu umwe na wagi wa mai undu uria mathiite na mbere na ukorwo makimenereria Ugai wa Mahinya toria mwandiki witu aratariria. Rere Ugai wa Mahinya urathie na mbere na gukunguira miaka ikumi kauntiini ya uasin gishu. Atongoria amwe kuma kauntiini ya Kajiado na abunge a Narok nimamenereirie.
Celebrating 10 years of devolution, we have not seen much gains in the pastoral counties.
Nimaugite nduriri cia arithi matigunikite na Ugai uyu wa Mahinya na makauga gutiri undu ucenjetie gwa kahinda kau ka miaka ikumi.
Particularly talk about Kajiado County. Devolution was meant to bring money down to the people at the grassroots. The Maasai community is as was 10 years before devolution, or even worse off now. Worse off because of climate change. A drought has ravaged these people. We've lost livelihoods. One of the issues when we have drought is lack of water for our animals.
Mubunge wa Kajiado ya gatagati Elijah Memusi ni aratariria ripoti ino.
Other than lack of pasture, animals have to go long distances for water. Up to now, devolution has not sorted out that problem. Where is the money that we receive in Kajiado going to? We want our people to be accountable. We want leaders who have been elected to be accountable to the people.
Memusi ni acokerie ngatho thirikari ya William Ruto akiuga ireko irute wira wao na maheo ihinda riao kuona ithurano ni ciathirire.
Important that when we have issues, when we have differences, it's important that we come to the table and discuss. The current government is in power legitimately. We have a right to say what we are saying as the opposition. But let us give the government of the day time to deliver its promises to wananchi.
Ripoti yake ni nyitetwo baru ni mbunge wa Narok ya Ithũĩro Gabriel Tongoyo.
Tunataka kushukuru serikali ya Kenya kwanza na Mheshimiwa Rais William Ruto kwa sababu kufika sasa mwaka moja tukienda kusherekea devolution ameweza kuweka pesa zote ya counties kutuma katika counties, pesa zote za CDF for the first time ministry zilitumwa wakati zilitumwa zote before the year ended.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV riakwa ni Waithĩrĩro wa Njoroge. Tugithie na